Welcome to our corporate accounting class. Today I am going to explain about final accounts of a company. This is problem number 8, problem taken from Jain and Nara. In this question, we are given with one trial balance and related adjustments are also given in this question. So based on that, now we are required to prepare the profitability statement 1 and position statement number 2. Okay, from that given information, sales, other incomes are taken. That sale of silver is given in the trial balance, so that one is taken as revenue from operations, and other related informations for incomes are given. Those things are taken under the category and in the schedule called other incomes. See, in this one important point we should know. Straight away we are not only taking that only the income related informations under other income. Instead of taking only that amount of income, we are taking that closing stock of the silver ore, that one should be adjusted here. Adjusted in the sense, see, you know very well, closing stock plus purchases minus opening stock. Based on that, we have to take it here. And another one is interest on the fixed deposit is given. It is given only up to 31 2023. So what we have to do, we are given with interest on fixed deposit up to 31st December 2023. So for up to that period 3900 we are taking. Year end that comes to 31st of March. So balance amount is what? That should be taken as provision, that we have to take it here. Okay, interest on fixed deposit. I mentioned FD, it is interest on fixed deposit, that should be taken here. Then another one income item given in this question, which is called next line, dividend on investment, which is 3200. So any dividend received is a income. The amount of dividend paid is payment. Dividend received is income. So dividend received is 3200. That one is also taken here. So the total of closing stock plus interest on FD plus accrued interest plus dividend, all put together 23,435 is taken as other income, schedule 1. Then coming to, this is total of income. Coming to expenses, right? The first one expenses, which is employee benefit expense. What is that employee benefit expense? Salaries and wages. Any amount given to the employee is taken under this category. Okay, so employee benefit expenses, wages, right? Then all administrative expenses should also consider in this. So the total of this schedule is 1,02,220. That one is taken under expenses side, schedule 2, employee benefit expenses. Okay, then next item given in this question, which is called depreciation expenses. Technically called as, this is depreciation and amortization expenses. What is that? Depreciation we know, amortized expense in the sense, amortized amount in the sense, the amount which is segregated and transferred to P&L account. Okay, so that amortized expenses and depreciation expenses, you refer that schedule, respected schedule, right? That respective schedule that shows that depreciation. Depreciation, it is of two categories here. One is total value of the plant 41,800, then depreciation, and another one is then railway, right? So yes, that another one in that 17,000, that 17,000 railway track and wagons, 17,000, on that 10% depreciation. Okay, that comes to 4,180, 17,000 10%, 1,700. Then third one category, third one item of depreciation which is a fixed asset is given in the question, that is furniture and buildings, that comes to 20,900. On that furniture and building 20,900, 5% depreciation should be provided as per the condition given in the question. Okay, these depreciation rates are specified in the question. Accordingly, we are taking 1045. Total amount of depreciation 6,925 is taken in expenses. Schedule number 3. Then another one item which is called other expenses. Items, the informations which are not grouped under employee or depreciation. On that, we have to take other expenses. What are they? Coal, gas, oil, etc. Then royalties, repair to plant. Okay, these are all the items we have to take it here. Then advertisement charges, all promotional expenses. In this promotional expenses, you please put your mark on that promotional expenses. In that, one adjustment is given, write off 1/3 promotional expenses. What is that item to be written off? Given as write off. What is that? That amount is specified for the write off, that amount should be deducted. The same should be shown in P&L debit side. Okay. So that amount written off is 1/3. Total amount of promotional expenses 6,000. The written off part is 2,000. Okay. So 6,000 into 1/3, 2,000. So total amount of other expenses. The value under other expenses schedule, that is schedule number 4, is 24,400. That we are taking here. Okay. Other expenses and 24,400 is taken. Total amount of income 20,000, 2,02,925. Then and expenses 1,33,545. The difference between these two things is 69,390. That is the profit for the year. Okay, in that manner, this is a simple P&L, but that P&L should be prepared as per the provisions of Schedule 3 of the company law, right? That what is that Schedule 3? What is the company law says about the P&L format? Accordingly, we have to prepare, right? You practice in this. Then next session we will discuss about how to prepare the balance sheet.